Hey everyone, welcome back to Pixel Guardians. Today, we're diving into a sneaky web security vulnerability that could leak your sensitive data without you even realizing it. Ever heard of a web cache deception attack? If not, stick around. This one's a game changer for developers and security enthusiasts. By the end of this video, you'll understand how it works, see a live demo, and learn how to protect your apps. Let's get started. Web cache deception, WCD, is an attack where hackers trick a server into caching sensitive user-specific pages. These cache pages are then served to other users, exposing private data like login credentials, payment info, or session tokens. Think of it like this. A web cache is like a librarian storing books, web pages, for quick access. But if the librarian gets confused and hands your diary to someone else, that's WCD. Unlike cache poisoning, WCD exploits legitimate server caching behavior. The attacker manipulates the URL to force caching of a page that shouldn't be cached. Scary, right? Let's break it down. 1. The trap. A user visits a malicious link, e.g. https://example.com/account settings/non-existent in CSS. 2. Server misstep. The server ignores the fake .css extension and serves /account settings, a sensitive page. 3. Cached. The server caches this page under the .css URL, assuming it's static. 4. The leak. Another user visits the same URL and gets the cached sensitive data. The key here? The server's misconfiguration. It caches pages even when it shouldn't. Let's simulate this. Here's a vulnerable demo app. 1. Attacker's view. I sent a request to http://vulnerable-site.com/profile.php/style.css. The server returns my profile page with session cookies and caches it. 2. Victim's view. When another user visits the same URL, they see my cache profile data. Yikes. Now imagine this with banking sites or healthcare portals. The damage could be huge. Here's how to protect your apps. 1. Validate user sessions. Never cache authenticated pages. Use headers like cache control, private, no store. 2. Restrict cacheable extensions. Only cache static files, e.g. .css, .js. Configure your CDN/server rules. 3. Sanitize URLs. Reject requests with unexpected extensions for sensitive paths. 4. Audit regularly. Tools like Burp Suite or OWASP Zap can test for WCD. For example, in Jinx, you can add Jinx location /account /@_header cache control no store, proxy info_cache 1. And that's web cache deception in a nutshell. If you're a developer, audit your caching policies ASAP. For everyone else, stay curious and keep your app secure. If you learned something today, smash that like button, subscribe, and share this with your dev team. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.